Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on this tonic juice. This is cold pressed carrot, apple, red beet, ginger, and lemon. And I'm going to do a quick taste test. There's the ingredients there. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And let's go. Let's do this. Alright, so I opened it up, took a quick smell. It has a nice, you can definitely smell the ginger and lemon in there, so. Okay, so basically, you really just taste the beet in there. The lemon comes through very subtly, but you get a little bit of heat of the ginger. The carrot, you don't taste it as much as the beet. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.